Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar virtually launches India Climate Change Knowledge Portal. This portal will have all the major steps that the government has been taking at both national and the international levels in order to address the climate change issues. It will be a single point information source that provides information on the different climate initiatives taken by various line ministries, enabling the users to access the updated status on these activities, and the portal address is cckpindia.nic.in. The next news is coming up as the Central Pollution Control Board raises concern over the pollution frothing in River Yamuna. Yes, the CPCB, which monitors the water quality of Yamuna, has raised concern over the pollution and frothing in the river. The CPCB has asked Delhi, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh for the effective sewage treatment and has asked to submit the action taken report by December 15, 2020. The next news is coming up as the Ramnagar Forest Division in Nainital district of Uttarakhand builds its first eco bridge for the reptiles and small mammals. The eco bridges or eco ducts aim to enhance the wildlife connectivity. Those are disrupted because of the highways or logging. The first 5 animal bridges are planned on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, and these animal bridges will help to avoid the human-animal conflict. Next news coming up as India has been ranked in the top 10 for the second year in a row in this year's Global Climate Change Performance Index, which was released in Germany on December 7th of 2020. So the Climate Change Performance Index is prepared after assessing the performances of 57 countries and the European Union. So these 57 countries and the European Union collectively are responsible for about 90% of the global greenhouse gas emission. These are the key highlights of the CCPI 2021. India is ranked at the 10th position on the Climate Change Performance Index. As it slips down by 1 position, it was ranked 9th position in the last year's index. Only 2 G20 nations, that is UK and India, are among the high rankers in the CCPI 2021. And it is the second time in a row that the United States, which is the largest historical polluter, is ranked at the lower position with the CCPI rank of 61. China, which is the biggest current emitter of greenhouse gases, is ranked at the 33rd position on the CCPI 2021 report. So none of the countries have achieved the 1 to 3 ranks, and the 4 assessment criteria are greenhouse gas emissions, renewable energy, energy use and climate policies. And the country which is 4th position is Sweden, followed by United Kingdom, Denmark, Morocco, Norway, Chile and India. The next news coming up is the world's highest mountain is now officially a little higher. Yes, after years of debate, China and Nepal finally have agreed on a precise elevation for the Mount Everest. The newly agreed height of the Mount Everest is 8,848.86 meter, which is announced at the virtual ceremony, and this is 86 centimeters higher than the measurement previously recognized by Nepal, and it is more than 4 meters above China's official figure for the Mount Everest.